Grab some popcorn, sit back, and get ready to have your mind blown on these vending machines. These vending machines right here are some of the best hot food vending machines in the world. So 100% definitely the most expensive vending machine I've ever seen. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the car vending machine. Unbelievable. Hello everyone and welcome to Singapore. Now, when people think about vending machines, they normally think about Japan. And although the Japanese vending machine culture is unbelievable, in my own personal expertise, I gotta say Singapore most definitely has a lot of the best vending machines in the world. Get ready to have your mind blown on these vending machines. So seeing that it's brunch time, I gotta get some food. So this vending machine is called Boon Lay Power Nasi Lemak. And inside this vending machine you have anything from white rice with squid cooked in chili paste, to steamed white rice with fried chicken, to Nasi Lemak fried chicken wing. Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting there to be this many choices. So I've never had fish before from a vending machine, so I think I'm gonna go with that. Okay. All right. And then you get it there. So then there's heating instructions on the side of the package here that gives you a specific number to press on the microwave. Hello, vending machine meal. Dang, this looks unreal. So first impressions of these two meals, just opening them up, I'm absolutely blown away. Like, where have you ever seen real fish in a warm-up vending machine? Also super impressed with the fry on that egg. It's almost a little bit scary looking at this egg because it seems like they just did this. But this fried chicken is like literally staring me in the face right now. So that's what I'm gonna start with. All right, this is scaring me, man. This fried chicken, of course, has the small misfortune of being a warm-up food. And with fried chicken, one of the most important things is having a nice fry on the outside and a juicy inside. And although this outside has some work to be done, the inside is absolutely wonderful. Next, let's go for some peanuts, some of those little fish, the rice, and almost make an egg sandwich. Holy frickin' cow! That tastes legit like a fried egg. But next, let's get a little bit of this fish here. Unreal, man. We are getting started off strong here. Now, one of my deepest beliefs in travel is no matter where you go, whether it's a city of 1 million or a town of 100, there's something to offer. However, Singapore plus vending machines equals another level. And while researching, I found a few that I never thought could have existed in 1,000,000 years. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a part that's simply called mind-blowing. So first thing, welcome to the gold vending machine. And I sell anything from gold coins to silver coins to gold bars. If I were to go with a gold bar, prices range from like 120 Singapore dollars to 230 to 538. Yeah, 538 is like the most expensive. And all the coins are 500 and over. Silver, it's like the same story. So 100% definitely the most expensive vending machine I've ever seen. Second thing is not exactly the most luxurious thing in the world, but it's just shocking. Welcome to the salmon fillet vending machine. So it looks like this machine is some sort of freezer because all of the salmon inside is frozen raw salmon. Supposedly each salmon is measured to 200 grams and it's 290 Singapore dollars, which is actually one of the draws of this machine is it's actually cheaper than most supermarkets.
Please present your card or your mobile phone. Authorizing. Please wait.
Give me my salmon. I can't wait to see what's in my frozen salmon. Now, number 3 is something that I still can't believe before I see it in person. And I've seen it online, but it seems like a joke. Like, it seems like an April Fool's joke. So it's up this street. I'm so excited to show you guys what it is, and I'm excited to see if it's actually real. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the car vending machine. I don't want to make them think I'm gonna buy a car, but let's see if they'll let me bring down one of the luxury vehicles. Hello. It's a car vending machine?
Yeah.
How does it work? How does it work?
Oh, where you from?
New York.
New York.
And what kind of cars are up in the vending machine?
Will I show you one? My right is
You're so nice. Oh wow.
You just take a
So cool. Yeah, okay. That goes all the way up to the car.
all the way up to get the car down.
Wow. Okay. On down
Yeah.
for viewing. Wow. Unbelievable. Oh, that is officially the coolest thing I have ever seen. Oh my gosh. Woo! That it spins around too.
Yeah.
Wow, you guys are not playing around here. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Yeah, you're so nice. Have a great day. Yeah. Wow, that guy was so nice for letting me test out that vending machine. Now, every place that I visit, I love to discover the little but super important details of a place. And one of my favorite ways to do that is through snacks. Oh my gosh. This is so many more that I was expecting. This is a whole freaking market. Let's see, so there's one vending machine, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then over here, 2 hot food vending machines, an orange juice machine, and a coffee machine. Holy crap. So I don't even know where to even start, man. This is like, there has to be 1,000 different items here to choose from. Can I ask you a question? So this is my first day in Singapore.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I have no idea about the snacks.
Yeah.
Is there a favorite snack that you have or something like that? There's so many snacks here.
Usually they will just go for this or
Is there another one that you would?
seaweed.
Seaweed too? Okay. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Yeah.
okay,
Have a
that's
great
good.
day. I'm interested to know how the corn tastes from a vending machine, so. My sweet corn. The corn. In front of us, guys, we have 5 different snacks ranging in variety from pizza to corn to seaweed to shrimp to sweet potatoes. So with that said, let's dive right into it. Shrimp crackers. Whew. Those have quite a strong smell. Subtle, crispy, but delicious. Please don't tear apart. Oh, we got it open without it falling everywhere. All right, now this one almost looks like a crinkle cut French fry. Sweet potato flavor in a bag. Next we have the pizza chip. Like, I want to be impressed by it, but a pizza flavor in a chip, you're asking for a lot. Oh, that, holy pizza flavor, that is officially my jam. Holy crap. I like seeing the other snacks. I honestly don't know why. Why did I get a corn on the cob from a vending machine? Alright. How long do you think this corn has been sitting in that vending machine? Come out, I want to eat you. That sounded so wrong. Do not comment about that. I will say, it was probably my bad for getting this corn from this vending machine. I mean, why would somebody get a corn on the cob from a vending machine? It kind of has like a brief taste of plastic attached to it. When you come to Singapore, the snack of choice for me, snack of choice that you have to get, are certainly these pizza chips. Okay, now traveling around the world is amazing. However, there's one food, well, many foods, but there's one food that I miss specifically. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, I think you'll know what food it is. Welcome everyone to the ATM Pizza 24-hour machine. Oh, this is so freaking cool. pizza from a vending machine. Words cannot describe right now what my reaction is to this. And honestly, it looks pretty decent. Like, the back has a nice little, you know, brown in there. The cheese, there's a lot of cheese on there. Oh my gosh. And it's hot. So let's see the taste. I mean, I'm gonna start off by saying I'm a bit of a pizza snob. I literally search all around cities for the best pizza. So with that in mind, let's talk about this pizza. Obviously the crust wasn't made in an oven. This is a, you know, warm-up pizza basically. However, the fact that they've kept all the ingredients like a 4 out of 10 freshness and somehow made the crust actually crust, I'm quite impressed. However, having said that, I have in front of me a pizza from a vending machine. So anyways, sitting here with my warmed up pizza here, I gotta say, today has literally blown my expectations. I'm interested to know what you guys thought. What was your favorite vending machine of the entire day? Comment that down below, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday.